You decide to try something a little reckless and definitely entertaining. Make $100 online in 24 hours with zero special skills or experience. No coding, no design, no degree, just your phone, a bit of hustle, and a plan. Here's a calm, practical play-by-play you can follow, broken into steps you can read fast and act on faster. The morning. Inventory and quick wins. 0 to 3 hours. Start by scanning your room for anything sellable. Jackets, books, tiny gadgets, even unopened cosmetics. Take clear photos. Natural light, simple background, one close-up of defects. List on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay with honest, direct titles and prices. Use local pickup to avoid shipping headaches. Price to move. Think 30 to 50% under retail. While listings upload, sign up for 2 instant pay microtask sites, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or similar. Complete profile tasks quickly. Look for 5 to 15-minute hits that pay $1 to $5 each. Multiple small wins add up. Aim for $40 to $60 from selling an item or 2 and microtasks combined. That's momentum. Midday. Leverage simple service gigs, 3 to 10 hours. Create 3 simple, repeatable gigs you can fulfill in under an hour. Examples: write 200 words of product description, format a resume in Word, or record a 60-second voice message. You don't need fancy samples. Use one honest, well-done template and offer fast delivery, plus $5 to $10 for rush. Post these on Fiverr or Gumroad and boost them in a pinned Facebook Marketplace post. When someone messages, respond within minutes with a friendly, professional script. Yes, I can have this to you in 1 hour for $15. Would you like any specific keywords? Simultaneously, check for local one-off gigs, yard work, quick delivery, dog walking listed on local groups. These often pay $15 to $30 and can be cash or digital payment. Afternoon, flipping and arbitrage, 10 to 16 hours. Turn small purchases or finds into a profit. Buy underpriced items from thrift apps or marketplace listings and relist higher with better photos and clearer descriptions. A $10 thrift find can become a $30 flip if you clean and rephotograph it.
Use Amazon Seller or Poshmark for clothes and accessories if you can ship the same day. Factor shipping fees and platform cuts. Aim for items with at least 50% profit margin after fees. Also try digital resales. Bundle public domain ebooks or low-effort printables and list them on Etsy. Price small, $3 to $7, but you only need a few sales.
Evening. Fast, low-barrier online income, 16 to 22 hours. Focus on high-conversion, low-effort methods, paid surveys, sign-up bonuses, referral incentives. Some platforms pay $1 to $10 per survey or offer $10 to $20 bonuses for referrals. Combine several. Use cashback and sign-up promos. Credit card or bank referral bonuses can be quick if you meet the minimal requirements within the day. Check terms. Digital services sometimes give instant credits you can redeem. Pitch a microservice on social media. A 1-hour help desk where you answer a niche problem over DM or video call for $20. Offer a limited time slot and keep delivery simple. Night. Consolidate, collect, and push for last-mile revenue. 22 to 24 hours. Check all platforms for pending sales and follow up on abandoned carts or messages. A polite nudge converts many hesitant buyers. Hey, still interested? I can keep this held for you until tomorrow. Withdraw funds strategically. Some platforms let you cash out instantly for a small fee, worth it if you need immediate money. If you're still short, offer a small local service that pays cash tonight. Babysitting, pet sitting, or help moving. Post an urgent, honest headline in local groups. Available tonight, $25 per hour. Practical scripts and pricing. Listing title: like new item, local pickup, $20, firm. Or quick 1-hour resume fix, $15, delivered in Word. Message reply: thanks for asking. Yes, I can do this by tomorrow. I ask $20. Payment via Venmo or PayPal. Sound good? Quick upsell. For $5 more, I'll deliver in 30 minutes. Or add a second item for 20% off. Realistic expectations and mindset. You won't always hit $100. You might overshoot. Treat this as an experiment. Prioritize speed, clarity, and follow through. People buy when they trust you can deliver fast and honestly. Energy beats perfection. Clean photos, prompt replies, and fair prices convert more than perfect listings written over 3 days. Closing note. By layering simple strategies, selling stuff, micro tasks, quick gigs, flipping, and sign-up bonuses, you create multiple income streams that can combine to reach $100 in a day. Keep your offers simple, your messages quick, and your delivery reliable. Try this once, tweak it, and you'll see which channels work best for your time and place.
Good luck! Now go make that first sale.